Hey everyone, I'm Margaret and it's finally my time to shine on this channel. Here are 10 clever van life hacks that'll make your life a breeze.
One, parking level.
Having a level is essential in order to avoid uneven parking. Every van lifer knows how difficult it is to sleep on uneven terrain. We put ours on the dash for easy reference while we're seated, and this way we always have an objective measurement.
Two, surveillance camera.
You can rewire your reversing camera so it's not just active when you're in reverse. Make a switch so you can turn it on and off whenever you want. You will appreciate this when you hear a weird noise behind your van, you want to investigate, but you don't want to take the curtains down.
Three, temperature station.
This is the best way to have the time, the date, and the exterior and interior temperature just mounted on your wall. That way you don't always have to be checking the weather from your phone app. Plus, you just want to glue a magnet to that exterior sensor and throw it under your van. You can also check the temperature of the inside of your fridge by putting it inside, or see how efficient your heater and AC are from inside the van.
Four, packing cubes.
These packing cubes will save your life. And if you don't army roll your clothes already, you should probably start. These cubes can help keep all of your clothes organized so you can break them out into socks, dresses, or shirts.
Five, my favorite, magnets.
We live in a magnetic cube. Why not take advantage of it? Everyone should carry a pack of magnets in the van and some PU glue. We magnetize absolutely everything for practical placement and faster accessibility.
Six, GoPro mount system.
These GoPro mounts aren't just for GoPro cameras. We use them for lighting, for phone holders, for video chatting, for time lapses, and sometimes for video creation. This is a great way to utilize something that you already have to have more hands-free work.
Seven, shower.
Showers come down to preference, but we knew that in such a small space, we did not want to have to deal with wet shower stuff inside the van. So instead, we opted for an outdoor shower. If you don't camp in snowy winters, this is a great way to keep clean. Curtains are an option too.
Eight, bed lift.
Move your bed up without moving a cushion. This bed lift allows you to access big items that are much more difficult when everything is crammed together. This type of lift can be applied to either the floor or the ceiling, and it can make it much easier to access other belongings in the back. You can just walk right in.
Nine, safe.
Our lives are packed into this van, so it's very important to have a place that you can store your most valuable items. A hidden safe is a great place to hide your laptop, camera, drone, passport, or anything else of extreme value. For us, we keep our safe under the bed lift, and it's only accessible with our magic switch.
Ten, projector.
We all deserve a movie night. Having an affordable projector in your van allows you to create a movie theater in your tiny home. And you never have to pause the movie to go to the kitchen because you're never too far away. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to help support us in more content creation, check out our website, mysupergadgets.com, and you can purchase some of the items that we use daily. If you want to see where we are parked right now, go to my Instagram @curlyhaircamping. Or if you want to check out more landscape photography, make sure to go to Lottie's Instagram @panoramaman. And if you still have some time to spare, check out some of our more current videos about the lifestyle. Thanks again, and you will definitely see me in the next video.